Well, you tell me. What do you think her name is?
I remember you, Mommy.
You remember me? Good. I like those boots. Those are fancy.
It's my new boots. I'm walking with these boots on without falling down.
That's great. You're doing a good job. Whoa!
This don't have no door. This don't have no door.
You're right. There's no door here.
No, because this out the door. Out.
It's without a door.
Can I do mannequin pose?
Yeah, do mannequin pose. Yeah. That's good.
Nice to see you.
It's nice to see you too.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm taking a video of you.
Grown up. Do mannequin pose.
Do a mannequin pose.
This mannequin pose is made to give. Ah!
Whoa!
These boots are really slippery. You bought these boots?
Well, those belong to your daddy. You need help? Whoa! You got it! You did it by yourself. Good job.
I want these boots because they are Mommy's.
Those are Daddy's boots.
No, they are not.
Where are you going? Okay, it's ready. It's time for dinner, okay?
I'm putting these boots on.
Careful. Whoop. Try again.
New boots. It's new boots.
Your new boots? You can do it. You can do it. You did it. You did it.
You don't have socks on.
Nope, I don't have socks on.
Not right here.
Mm-mm.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm taking a video of you.
Ow! Look here. You are a toy. Mommy's a toy.
I'm not a toy.
Yes, you are.
Are you arguing with me?
Yeah.
Okay, it's time to go make dinner.
Oh, Mommy,
Whoa, whoa. Good catch.
that's cold.
It's cold metal, I guess. Does it feel cold? You want to hold my hand? You want to hold my hand?
No, monster. We scared monster. This Mommy.
Ooh.
You be a monster goes like this.
I'm going to go cook dinner. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Boots Monster. Hey, you're doing caca right now?
This is my
Oh, you know what? Let's not play with that. It's kind of pointy.
break.
No, it might hurt you.
It might break.
Say goodbye.